Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we show you how to put an SD card in the Samsung A54. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to take a look at how to install an SD card on the Samsung A54 5G. Now, of course, this can apply to any device that you have that's an Android or any phone that basically has expandable memory, basically. But in this case, because the Samsung A54 is relatively fresh on my videos, I decided to do it on this. So, again, first of all, you're going to need a micro SD card slot. And on the phone, not all Android phones have them, right? And of course, you'll need an SD card. So this one's just a generic one that I got online. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one really quick. This one does come with a like a little adapter. So if you have an SD card reader on your computer, you can just throw that. So again, you can get SD cards anywhere: Amazon, Walmart, Target, whatever. It doesn't really matter what. This one's like super generic though. The brand is called Van Sunny. I think somebody from Temu sent it out. But anyways, so first of all, again, you want to what you want to do is you want to find your SIM tray on the phone. So a lot of the times the SIM tray is going to be on the side of the phone, on the bottom, or on top, right? So in this case, the phone for this device is on top. So let's go ahead and pop that out. Just keep in mind though that some SIM tray or some SD card slots share the SIM tray as well. So let's go ahead and pop this out. It's going to deactivate my service for a few minutes while I take this out, basically. And before we do that, also I know it says check SIM, blah blah blah. Let's go ahead and unlock the phone really quick. We're going to go to your storage settings really quick so that you can kind of see what it'll look like afterwards. Security and privacy. Let's see, modules, connections, and again, we just have to find the storage area. I'm surprised. Before it used to be a lot easier. I guess you got to search it now. It's kind of funny. Storage. I guess it would be under batteries. So my files and locations. I don't know why it needs to access files and locations to see how much space. Yada yada yada. Okay. So it says internal storage. Okay, so here it just says internal storage, right? Now if I add an SD card, you're gonna see what's going on, right? But it's basically saying that I've already used 105 gigabytes of internal storage out of the 128. So I do take a lot of videos with this phone. I've already taken several with my YouTube channel. But again, adding the SD card will kind of help remedy the internal storage issue, right? Especially when it comes to video and pictures and any type of media files, like stuff like that. So again, you do have to pop out the SIM tray, right? So in this case, like it looks like my SIM tray, if I can get my hand on it, it already has a SIM card in it. But on the other side, you have a very small little DIMM for a memory card. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of squeeze that in there as best as I can, or I'm gonna try at least. I'm not exactly 100% sure. Sometimes you kind of got to play with it a little bit. So she said, find like the correct shape that it's supposed to go in. And for me, let's see if I can zoom in here, just because I'm kind of blind. I'm actually using the phone camera because it's kind of dark in my room, guys, and I just dropped this. So it's not 100% easy to do, but it's also not that hard as well. So I think, hold on, I think I'm doing it upside down. So what you want to do, there we go. So it clips in like that on the bottom, guys, backwards for obvious reasons, right? Because the little memory unit needs to be read. So let's go ahead and insert this back in. I don't know if the screen's gonna lock. Let's find out what happens. So, and as you can see there, it did pick up the memory card. I'm hoping, let's go back to 1X here. I'm hoping that it does read it. Let's see. So let's go back. Let's go back to storage here just to see if that does anything. Okay, let's tap settings. I don't know. Usage data access. Did I click the wrong thing? Hold on, guys. Okay, yeah. Trash 1.8 gigabits. Okay, so hold on. External storage backup now. Backup your, okay, so it does give you an option to back up your data to SD card or USB storage device. So, in case you guys are, wondering, like, like all your apps and stuff like that, all the little data that you have saved to the phone, right? It could actually save to that, right? Let's go over here. Again, it's going to be under battery. Looks like everything's good. Software optimization. So over here, again, storage. So my little memory card, I thought it was like 64 gigabytes. It's only like 6 gigs of internal memory. But again, this can work for any device, and I might pull that one out, and I might put one that's a little bit bigger on the inside, just because I have a few that are a bit bigger. I don't know why. This was sent to me, by the way, guys. The little micro SD card. I didn't realize it was only 6 gigs, though. It's basically nothing in 2023. Like, the minimum that you would probably want to put in is 128 gigabytes, right? But again, you can transfer apps and whatnot to that. At least I think Samsung still has that feature. I'm gonna have to maybe double check. I might actually swap out SIM cards. Let's find out. Okay, guys, so I kind of screwed up actually, and I forgot to restart my phone. Obviously, there is a restart thing that you have to do when putting in an SD card, and the reason why you have to do that is because most of the time the memory card needs to be formatted to Android, right? Or that way it can at least save like the Android folders onto the SD card specifically. I wouldn't say it has to be formatted completely, but let's go ahead and restart it. I just used the same memory card because I went back and looked at it, and it does say 64 like gigabytes. So I was like, okay, why is this not saving, or why is it not pulling from there? So let's go ahead and restart the phone really quick, guys. And again, hopefully everyone's doing good. Hope you guys smash the like button for this video. I know it could be a little sloppy. My videos can be sloppy, but this is my channel, so I can do whatever I want basically. But let's go ahead and get this started, and then we'll go from there. And again, the reason why you want to do this again is because a lot of these phones again come with only 64 to 128 gigabytes of memory. Of course, if you're paying for higher tier phones, like there's a version of this phone that has 256 gigabytes of internal memory. For those of you guys who don't know what gigabytes and memory is what you use to save items to your phone, like applications, like Facebook, Instagram, photos, videos, anything like that. So they're Metro by T-Mobile. So I did pay for another month of this device, by the way, guys. Oh, One UI is optimizing. Let's see how fast this is. So again, this is running on an Exynos chip, by the way, guys. Just a heads up on that. So let's see what it gives us. We go back to the storage. I was actually reading the actual the amount of RAM that it has in that little clip prior to this one. So okay, this phone is taking forever to start up, guys. What's going on? Okay, guys, we are back, and let's go ahead and check what I needed to check now, right? Which is, again, it has the memory card in. Now, of course, I'm probably going to end up buying a larger memory card for this. This one doesn't really have that 64 gigs. I'm going to eat it up quick, as you guys can see there, mostly because let's go to battery and storage. So let's see if it pops up now. Again, I don't know if it will or not. Let's see, storage, to see how much space. So, the SD card was installed. I don't know what's going on here. Let's find out. Large file, 64. Damn, I need to delete all my videos, by the way, guys. Let's see, it has 2 pages. So there is a secondary portion. So you have your internal storage page over here, guys, and then if you look at the little thing, there's the internal excuse me, I don't know why I went back. Gestures are a pain in the butt. So to see how much space, blah blah blah. So you can see here that my SD card is reading now. It's about 58 gigabytes extra. So now instead of 128 gigs of internal storage, I have 64 gigs more, right? Which would be like, what, 180 gigs, which again, most people would probably want to buy another 128 gigabyte SD card. But again, the cool part about this is, like, for instance, if I'm taking video, right? Again, if you go to your camera app, change storage location to SD. So right out of the gate, Samsung actually will give you the option. Now, of course, you can't do this on devices like Pixel or iPhone because those phones only have internal memory, right? But it says save your space to internal storage by storing your pictures and videos to your SD card. So that's what I'm going to do, right? So it says the following video, so I'm going to go ahead and change it. Now, of course, you could always go back and change that, guys. So that's not always set in stone, right? For instance, though, let's go ahead and take a picture of me taking this video over here. I am shooting on the Pixel 7 Pro, by the way. I'm getting old, guys. You can see all the gray hairs. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, anyways. You know, it says syncing OneDrive. Okay, not now. I don't really do any of that. But now, you know, if I go back, see if I can go back to the memory area here. Again, storage. I need to go back and delete all my videos. You see, look, it does say that I have one image saved on there, right? So again, and you can actually transfer a lot of your stuff there. Let's see, for instance, let's see this. Hey, we got a little dog over here. Okay, that's nice. So like, let's say for instance, these videos that I'm editing, right? Let's say I just want to move this clip over, right? So there should be a little option over here that allows you to move it, right? It says move to secure folder, right? Or at least I would hope. Let's see. Move to a secure folder. Details. Let's go to details. Okay, maybe not. Before I remember there would be an option. Okay, hold on. No, I think this is just for people that are trying to hide their you-know-whats, guys. 1 second. All right, guys. So it took me a little bit to figure it out on the Samsung phone. But what you want to do is you want to do like a long press on your actual items here. So for instance, like let me just go back. So like let's say for instance I want to move again that one video that I took here. So again, you can select several, right? I can literally move all these if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna pick that one selected. So you're gonna go down here where it says more, and then you're gonna put let's see, add tag, move to secure folder. You're gonna put move to album, right? So from there you will actually want to create a new album, right? And from there, again, it says album 1, right? It's gonna give you the option to leave it internal storage, or you can move it to the SD card, right? So in this case, I'll just put SD saved stuff, right? I'll go ahead and just leave that there instead. Saved like saved media, okay, whatever. SD saved media, I'll just leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and create that, right? So the move was complete. So now, like, if I wanted to, like, you know, I can just go back. I can go and delete the internal storage of that. But you go back to albums, right? Okay, customize albums, not now. Hold on. I love tutorial stuff, but now you can see down here that it says, you know, that it is saved. So that one video that I took, which you guys have already seen the video, right?
From B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at this Nintendo DSi that I got from Goodwill.
So that was an intro that I took. So again, you can actually go back to your regular albums now, and you can you know, delete that original file. You can keep this, you know, you can keep the stuff that you want saved, right? But in any case, you know, you can do this for pictures, videos, etc., like that. So for those of you guys who are wondering, like, how do I do this, especially on a Samsung A54 device, that's how you do that. So anyways, guys, just a quick tutorial on how to, again, install an SD card on your device, on your Android device, right? This pretty much pertains to most of them. You know, of course, keep in mind that the UI on the actual devices might differ. So like it might look different like on a OnePlus phone, or it might look different, you know, on another brand phone. I was going to say LG, but LG's kind of dead now. So, but anyways, guys, again, Mike from B-Tech Reviews signing off. Thanks again for watching the video. Smash the like button if you guys like the content, and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys next time.